In this video, I'll show you 3 simple and little known ways to determine Forex trend direction. Why should you do it? The reason is quite obvious. If you follow the trend, it's much safer to place trades and make money on Forex. This is my real account, and I placed 3 trades. As you can see, I followed the trend in all my trades and all of them were profitable. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the alert notification button. That way, when I release more useful content about trading like this, you'll be notified. It's easy to distinguish between an uptrend and a downtrend, but you might struggle to identify a trend direction when there is a sideways trend or when you are a beginner. I'll show you how to spot a trend on Forex without any difficulty. The first way, use the Madrid moving average ribbon. Go to TradingView, enter moving, scroll down a little and you'll find this awesome indicator. It includes 18 exponential moving averages and they show you the trend direction. The wider the range between a 5-day EMA and a 90-day EMA, the stronger a trend is. The second way, use RSI. You should add 2 horizontal lines to the RSI indicator. Enter 40 for the first line and 60 for the second line. If the RSI line is somewhere between 40 and 60, there is a sideways trend at this moment. Once the RSI line crosses the 60 level, it shows that a potential uptrend may occur very soon, and vice versa. I'm personally in favor of adding an additional 200-day moving average, as this approach is more fundamental and it gives me more confidence to enter trades. The third way, look at the price change. This method is my favorite. You don't need to add any indicators. All you need to do is look at the price change. I've mentioned this in 2 of my videos, but I really love it. So, a percentage above 0.25 indicates a strong trend. The higher the ratio, the stronger the trend. If it's green, there is an uptrend, while red indicates a downtrend at this moment. All the methods I mentioned today are extremely simple and accurate. If you have found this video helpful, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be creating more insightful videos just like this one. By the way, which method did you like the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. Now you know how to easily identify a trend. What should you do next? You can follow the trend and make money. If you want to get my trend following strategy, which is extremely profitable and reliable, send me an email or click the link in the pinned comment or description box below. I'll tell you how you can get the strategy that I have been using for over 4 years of trading.